Camless from Yinfeng Group Limited. Now beside me is the very biggest Camless forming machine. It fits for the 12mm diameter wide. And you can see when I stand here, I become very small. Actually, I'm tall. I'm 1.7 meter. Okay. Let me introduce one by one for the servo-motor. It has 12 axis servo-motor, and these 8 arms is controlled by the separate servo-motor. And here is the manual rotate servo-motor, and then there is a wire rotate servo-motor also. And here we have the spinner to install here, and on the back have the wire decoder. And now you can see our controller system. This has the controller system. We can easily program inside here for the wire fitting, for the arm X1 to the X8, and for the manual rotate and the wire rotate and the spinner. And you can start 10,000 pieces program inside here. And follow me to see the inside structure. Here the inside structure. This part is for control the wire rotate via this servo-motor. And this part is for the wire straightening, for straight the wire. And on the back is very big wire decoder. Okay, thank you. Bye.